So I have got something shocking to share with you, and trust me, you will love this. I thought this was just a wild rumor, a fun concept, but guess what? It's true. Apple is finally changing the back design of the iPhone 17 Pro, and oh boy, it's a big change. So according to the latest information, the iPhone 17 Pro is getting a large rectangular camera bump. And here is the interesting part, it will be made of aluminium instead of the usual 3D glass we have seen in recent iPhones. But wait, the bottom half of the phone will still be glass. Why? To make sure wireless charging works smoothly. Now to confirm this, a very reliable tipster from China, DCS, says that Apple is making a huge design change. They are saying the camera might get a horizontal pill-shaped module. If you are imagining this, think about the Pixel 9 Pro XL's design, yeah, kind of like that. But here is the real twist, Apple might ditch the titanium frame and glass body. Instead, they could go back to using aluminium for both frame and body, similar to the design of the old iPhone 7. But don't worry, Apple still knows what matters most. The bottom half will stay glass to make the wireless charging possible. The camera bump though will look rectangular this time instead of the squarish one we have seen on previous iPhones. And that's not all, Apple is pulling out all the stops for performance. The iPhone 17 Pro is set to feature the A19 Pro chip, which means we will see even better graphics and more support for AAA games. Plus it will run on iOS 19 with even more AI features baked right in. Expect better cameras and maybe even an anti-reflecting front panel, something Samsung already did with the S24 Ultra. Now let's talk about the front design. Some rumors are floating around that Apple might use a small center hole punch selfie camera instead of the dynamic island. But honestly, I don't think Apple will get rid of the dynamic island this early. And there is one more exciting piece of news. Apple is also working on a device called the iPhone 17 Air. Get this, it's going to be the thinnest iPhone ever. This sleek device might have a 6.6 inches display with dynamic island, an aluminum frame and A19 Bionic chip, a single 48 megapixel camera, 8 gigs of RAM and iOS 19 straight out of the box. And guess what? It's about to enter mass production, so this could be the final design. So if these leaks and rumors turns out to be true, 2025 might just be the best year to upgrade to an iPhone. I mean, Apple is pulling off some big surprises here. Let me know, are you excited about these changes? Which one do you like better, the iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 17 Air? With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you all in the next one.